Today we're talking about only pay for what you need. It sounds like a great idea, doesn't it? But it could seriously cause a major problem for you. Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. If you've got questions about flood insurance, flood education, flood zone changes, elevation certificates, click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. You can also check out our daily flood education videos on our YouTube channel. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, which means we can help you understand flood risks like this right here, your flood insurance, and mitigating your property long term to help you minimize flood losses and flood premiums. Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru, and today we're talking about only pay for what you need. It sounds like a great idea, doesn't it? But it could seriously cause a major problem for you. You see, when most people are searching for insurance, a lot of times they don't know what they need until they need it when a claim occurs. And let me tell you a situation. We recently had somebody come to us where they had a house fire and they had bought this home insurance online. Well, they had enough coverage to pay off the loan, great. But what they didn't have enough coverage was, they didn't have enough coverage for about $75,000 worth of investment and upgrades they had put into the property. And they had bought it online. No one had advised them about this. But what happened is, they were said, oh, you only really need this. And so that's the problem when you only need what you need. You don't know what you need many times. For example, this business might need something completely different than this business. And you may not know that when you're out there trying to pick these coverages because you're just trying to get what you need. And so getting just what you need can be an extremely dangerous situation. We had a flood insurance customer that came to us that had this happen to them. They bought a $150,000 policy. But what they didn't know is that it wasn't enough coverage. So it defaulted to an actual cash value policy. They got about $20,000 on a claim. It didn't pay for squat on their business. And you know what they said? I wish I would have known that. And that's the problem when these companies are advertising, only pay for what you need. Yikes. That's a dangerous situation waiting to happen. So you want to be very cautious about this. This can also pose a major problem when buying online if you don't have someone who's advising you. So if you've got questions about what do you actually need when it comes to protecting your business, maybe protecting your home when it comes to flood insurance, click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, which means we can help you understand flood risks like this right here, your flood insurance, and mitigating your property long term so you have the right coverages when you do need them.